Welcome to Factory Process. See how everything is made. Stay with us throughout the process.
Make sure the gel covers the entire weld.
Got it. This sensor is picking up good readings.
Transcription. Okay, apply to the lower strut next.
Got it.
Transcription. Okay, easy now.
Alignment is perfect.
Secure the clamps.
Carbon fiber side sill panels are bonded along both sides of the chassis. These long, aerodynamically variable valve timing actuators are installed on each camshaft end. These electro-hydraulic units allow the engine to optimize valve timing.
Looks good here. Gasket surfaces are clean. Let's get these gaskets on.
Okay, let's get these manifolds on. Looks like no damage, thankfully. Okay, ease it down nice and slow.
Aligning with the mounting plate now. Almost there.
Workers handle the kinetic energy recovery system. This motor produces over 160 horsepower.
The hybrid system's lithium-ion battery pack is assembled in a climate-controlled room. Workers install individual.
Let's make sure these gear oil levels are right.
And the hydraulic connections look good.
The V12 from section 42 is carefully maneuvered into position. Workers guide it using an overhead crane.
Transcription. Okay, easy now. Align it perfectly.
Got it. Connecting the hydraulic lines.
Appendix district check बता देंगे तो इस प्रिंसिप के लिए एक फ्रेम में मोड़ने का चीज कास्ट उसमें थे इन चीजन के इस एक इस गांव से
The electronic steering system is installed, featuring an electro-hydraulic power steering pump and steering rack. The main harness splits into sub-harnesses for different vehicle areas. Connectors are color-coded and keyed to prevent incorrect connections.
They're stuck me sprawling. These are the valves which control the sound, quiet or loud.
Make sure the weather sealing is perfect.
And check the mounting points. They have to be precise.
Careful now, align it with the marks. Easy does it. Pressure even.
The dashboard is a complex assembly integrating multiple systems. Climate-controlled ducting connects to the rear.
Now we install the steering wheel with its integrated controls and paddle shifters.
These racing seats, carbon fiber shells, leather, Alcantara, custom fitted for high-speed support.
Okay, torque specs confirmed.
Seat B is all set. Electrical next.
All switches and controls are tested for operation.
Transcription. Okay, gently now. Let's make sure these latches engage perfectly.
Seals look good, even compression all around.
Now, let's test the full range of displays for the instrument cluster.
Transcription. Okay, that looks good.
Perfect alignment on the seals.
Now watch as the rear LED tail lamp clusters are installed.
These center lock forged aluminum wheels are ready. They're 19s in front, 20s in the rear, with aggressive offset and Pirelli P0s.
The rear wheels are installed using the same process. Hood alignment is adjusted using shims at the hinge points for even gaps around the perimeter.
Make sure all the quick-release fasteners are secure.
Roger that. Checking the alignment now.